Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko number 314DN. This is a dark bronze anodized aluminum meeting style neoprene insert. They call it a meeting style because it's going to be used as an astragal. It can be used as an astragal. It can also be used as a door bottom. You can really use it anywhere where you need to apply a bubble sort of shape seal. Okay, I commonly will see these as door bottoms myself, only because the project is more compatible with what you'd see on an undercut from a door. But I've also seen them installed between two doors, especially where you've got doors that have an unusually large gap. The 314 is something that's used in instances where you need to fill an unusually large gap, is the bottom line. Now, this item, let's dissect the part number. 314 is representative of the profile. The D stands for dark bronze. The N stands for neoprene. Okay. Now this item is available in other finishes as well, and I'm going to pull that up. While I'm waiting for the catalog to load, let's go over the dimensional properties of the item. There's an image below this video showing the important dimensional properties where you can see the overall width of the extrusion is 1 3/8. You've got 3/16 worth of the thickness of the aluminum, and then you've got a total projection from the edge of the door or the bottom of 3/4 inch, and that is right on. Okay, that catalog has come up. Let's tell you what the other finishes are in the 314. So you can do C for clear anodized aluminum, D for dark bronze, and G for gold anodized. So it's not available in mill. It'll either be clear anodized, dark bronze, or gold. Okay, those are the other finishes. The 3/4 inch total projection, that might fit splendidly for what you're working on, either as an astragal or as a door bottom. This is going to be available in the website in several different lengths, everywhere from really 2 foot to 8 foot. Anything can be ordered in terms of length, but those are the sizes that we have listed. When this arrives to you, the rubber insert is generally not installed. That is pretty much standard because you need initial access to the screw holes. So what ends up happening is you'll get the aluminum extrusion attached to the door, placed properly, pre-drilled the whole 9 yards, and then you'll attach the neoprene, which is not difficult to do. The key with doing this is pulling slightly on the leading edge, but making sure that you're assisting from over on this side as well, and also tugging up as you go along, because it'll pull, but when you get to the end of it, it's tough, and you don't want to deform the insert material. So relieving the pressure by assisting by pushing up is kind of the key to doing that. Now, here's a hardware hack for this sort of item. 3/4 inch might be too much for you in any regard. How about this? Take a router and route the edge of the door or the bottom of the door for the 1 3/8 width, and then the 3/16, or maybe even a little bit deeper. Replace the screws that come with it with longer screws, and then get yourself some light tension springs where you can set the springs, and maybe some flat washers. Set the springs on top of the hole, run the screw up through the spring and then into the door. Go with like 1.5 inch sort of unit. The key with that is if you've mortised or left yourself a pocket, you can tighten those screws and therefore tailor the projection of the unit from the bottom of the door or from the edge of the door. You might be able to draw that in so that the 3/16 aluminum thickness is flush. But the key with mortising it a little bit deeper is that you can tailor that projection with time, because over time, doors don't stay plumb. They'll do this, or the door will do this. The sill may not be level all the time or through all 4 seasons, things of that nature. So keep that in mind as well. There is a link below this video to the cut sheet, which is really just an exploded or a larger diagram of the dimensional drawing. Regarding those lengths, you can order them in any sort of custom length that you want. Keep that in mind. All that you simply do is order the next longest piece or pieces and indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. That will save you the work of cutting the material, certainly. It will save you the work of drilling a new hole, which is not in itself, quite frankly, that difficult to do. But nonetheless, if you order the next longest piece or pieces, we'll provide it at that that length and reduce the overall installation aspect. The name Pemko is synonymous with all things weather stripping related. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all the Pemko products that we sell, a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Pemko number 314DN dark bronze anodized aluminum meeting style with a neoprene insert, or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.